Maybe you should find out before you start making problems for nothing.
Been here longer than you were fucking born. Longer than you were born.
Sure. What's your name, Darren?
No, I don't go by any name.
I don't go by any name. Just go back inside, man. There's no problem here.
This is our streets.
This is your street? Is that what you said? This is a public street, man. This is West Lewis Street. You know that, right? This is West Lewis Street. You're aware? Go ahead, man. Your camera doesn't scare me.
It doesn't scare me either.
Obviously it does if you're calling the cops.
Because we got thieves down here scanning.
I'm not. Yeah, why would a thief come out here in broad daylight and do this?
We are on a neighborhood watch program, so we've been asked to, every time we see a suspicious.
So you feel entitled to act like a Darren anytime you see someone walking down the street?
We get a lot of.
Walking down the public street? It's West Lewis Street. Look at this guy. This guy accused me of being a thief. Let's go back inside. Make sure you got the flash on. Oh, good. Okay. Edward, appreciate you. Make sure the flash is on, dude. You want me to turn around for you too, or what? This guy's freaking out for nothing.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. What do you take pictures for?
Just everything.
For everything?
Uh-huh.
What does that mean?
I can't really get into details.
Is the property being put for sale?
Can't get into it. Have a good day. Where you going, man? So the guy said he was gonna call the cops. The guy that works over here.